Hi and welcome to our stand here at System Q. My name's Phil Barnes, Product Specialist and Technical Support. I'd like to just cover a few products today that we've got that are great accessories to the CCTV installers like yourself. I'm sure you'll find many challenges, and it's not just a case of getting a camera to a recorder, it's what you can do after that. So these products will help you with installations, create added value and provide solutions that you will not probably get anywhere else. So just a few examples. There's the HDMI Mule. This is a great product to allow you to get your video screen in a different place away from your main recorder and monitor. So a secondary monitor can be sent across a Cat5, Cat6 type cable up to 120 meters, and also give you control through the USB port, so you can connect your USB mouse and then be operating your system, selecting cameras and playback, or managing of your sort of CCTV system from that little device. Great add-on. There's also a coaxial version of that for those others. Just on the bottom here, a few other accessories I'd like to touch base with you. Transmitting wirelessly a video signal 2 megapixels in HD for a coaxial type solution. There's a range of antennas available. Distance is up to 2 kilometers. It's probably quite easily achievable. Another product to help overcome difficult installations with a cable solution. This can take a IP camera over literally any cable, be it alarm cable, coaxial cable, 4-pair, BT, twisted pair. That'll get you an IP solution without the aggravation of cabling.